You need a job or you want a promotion. The quickest way to do it is by joining the boys club. Okay, relax. It's just another way of telling you that you need to start networking. A lot of people think that it's all about making connections with the high places and the high rollers, but that's not always the case. And in this video, I'm going to show you how networking can help you in your career, no matter where you are starting from. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, before we get into this video, networking goes a lot better when it's paired with confidence. In the description below, grab my free guide that helps leaders like you build your self-confidence. Networking, it's one of those buzzwords that's thrown around a lot in business, but what does it really mean? Simply put, networking is about building relationships with people who can help you achieve your goals, whether that's landing your dream job, growing your business, or it's just expanding your social circle. But let's be real. Networking can often feel like the boys club. You know the scene, a group of men, white men, but cigars in hand, swapping business cards, talking about their latest multi-million-dollar deals. It can be intimidating. I get it, especially for women and members of underrepresented groups who may not necessarily have the same access or feel they have the same access to these exclusive groups. But here's the thing. The power of networking is not limited to the boys club. This is usually said by people who can't get into the right crowd. For the people who refuse to kiss ass and believe that anyone who got a big promotion is just a brown-nosing piece of... Okay, listen. First, don't hate the people in the positions that you want. And second, with just a little bit of effort and strategy, anyone can harness the power of networking to launch their own careers. So here's a few tips to get you started. First, get involved in your industry. Attend events, join organizations, and participate in online groups related to your field. This will give you the opportunity to meet people who work in your industry and make valuable connections with those people. Second, be intentional about who you meet. Seek out people who have the skills, the experience, the connections that you admire. Do not be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. Number 3 is offer value. Networking is not just about taking, but it's also about giving. Offer to help others with their goals and look for opportunities where you can provide value. And fourth, follow up and stay in touch. Once you've made a connection, it's important to follow up and stay in touch. This can be as simple as sending an email or inviting them to lunch. The bottom line is this: the power of networking is real, and it is available to anyone who is willing to put in the work. Do not let the boys club intimidate you. Get in there. And if you're looking to learn more about networking, which you should, watch this video because that's what we get into. Now, until next time, get your coffee, and I'll see you in a bit. Ciao.